Hello and welcome back to Alyena's Kitchen, where today we're going to be making a homemade pea soup. This soup is so delicious and so easy to make. You're actually going to be making all of it in just one pot, and it's perfect for one of those cold, rainy days like we have today. So let's get started. So today, for the first time, I'm going to be trying out this hot plate. I got it from Sur La Table, and it just makes things more convenient from having to move back and forth all over the kitchen. So this will be my first time using it, and we'll see how it goes. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is take about 1 tablespoon of butter and let it melt in our hot pan. And then once it's completely melted, we can add in about 5 large shallots and saute them for about 3 minutes until they're nice and soft. So the next thing you're going to do is add 4 cups of water, as well as 6 cups of either fresh or frozen peas. And we're gonna let this cook for 12 to 15 minutes. One of the great things about this hot plate is you can actually touch the surface of it and not burn yourself. But one of the disadvantages is if you're doing a cooking video, while it's cooking, there's quite a loud fan, but you can pause it, which I'm doing now. Okay, so next thing we're going to do is make some little parmesan wedges to put in your soup. I was planning on getting a baguette at the market, but I forgot. So I'm just using some sourdough that I had on hand. So what I did was I just cut up my bread into about 3 big chunks. So what I'm going to do is just add a little bit of olive oil, some garlic powder, and some parmesan. Now I have my ready parmesan crisps, and I'm gonna put them in the oven at 400 degrees until the cheese is melted and they're nice and crispy. So now with the soup, what I'm gonna do in quite small portions, you don't wanna put too much, is we're gonna blend our green pea mixture until it's smooth. It's really important that you do this in steps, because if you put all of your mixture into your blender at once, even if it can take all of it, the chance is it might explode because of all the heat. And don't forget to cover it, just in case. It smells so good. So once you've blended everything together, I'm gonna add it all back to the pot and heat it up again, and then add in some heavy cream. And now that this is warmed up again, I can start adding my seasonings and my heavy cream. You can add 5 to 6 tablespoons. It's up to you if you want it more creamy or a little bit less. And you're just gonna slowly drizzle it in. Here we have our beautiful crispy bread. So what I ended up doing was I just added sage and white pepper and some black pepper and some salt until I got the taste that I wanted. And now I have it beautiful and all prepared. And because we're quite a cheesy family, I'm gonna add some parmesan on top and maybe a sprinkle of black pepper. And the best part, getting to try it. It's so delicious, and it's so fresh and healthy and warming. I hope you guys enjoy. Thank you guys so much for watching, and if you're looking for the recipe, it should be listed down below or on my website.